Hello and welcome back. So last example we have understand about how to configure Bootstrap. Okay, so in this video we are going to understand again the Bootstrap styles. So here I want to explain you how better front-end design you can make using Bootstrap. Okay, if you are using Bootstrap, how effectively you can create a rich user interface. Okay, so what is my plan is so I have the same application to which I have started here, Bootstrap styles. Now my plan here is I want to take a few cards with some images. So if you want to get some images to be downloaded, you can refer a website called pexels.com. Okay, you go just directly to the pexel.com and you can search for whatever you want. For example, workspace. If you type a query, all workspace related photos will come. Okay, you can select any picture and you can freely download, and you can also choose some large or small whatever option you want and customize also. You can download, and I have downloaded few images and I kept on my desktop here. So let me use these images in my application. So how to use these images and where can I paste it? You just copy the folder of image in src. In src only you have to keep those images on the name of assets folder. So generally people create assets folder. So on src, right click new directory called assets. In the assets I will paste my image folder which contains all the images. Okay, so I can start using these images in my application. Okay, so along with the assets I'll create another directory called components. In this I'll create one component, a functional component. Let's say something called card country card dot jsx. Okay, so I want to have a snippet. So I go to nodes and I bring the functional component snippet and I'll paste it. But only thing is I have to change the name of the class name. I mean function name. Control R, student replace it with country card. Okay, and then replace all. Okay, it's done. It's replaced here, here, here also. Now let's configure that in the app component. Now you check, you got a welcome to country card. So this I want to make all the four cards. So what my plan is, I go inside of it. I just using a bootstrap grid system. So one container, uh, one second, one container, one row is called MD, three column layout. In that one card, so card body. So let's check. I got a card body, but some margin top. I'll say margin top 3. Okay. So here I want to display an image. So that image is available in my local. So how to import local images is, let's say image1 from dot slash uh, dot slash no, no, wait dot slash assets folder slash image slash card1 dot jpg. So like that I need four images. So I say image 2, image 3, image 4, and this is I given a name actually card 2, card 3. You can rename whatever the name you want. I just given card 1 2 3 4. Okay, I have imported the four images. Let's use them. So in the card I use the image tag. src is it's not a hardcode data, it's a dynamic the variable I want to substitute. So in the place of src I use the react expression, just say image 1. Okay, so let's check. You got a image 1 for the card. You can also make the card as some shadow lg. Okay, you get some shadow, and below that I want to specify the name and some text. How you specify is, let's say some h3. Let's say it is Paris. Okay, and below that you want to have a text. You write a paragraph, just say lorem 20 tab, some 20 words. Okay, so nice card has come. See, with less amount of classes, less amount of styles, you got it. Rich UI. Okay, that's where we use a bootstrap for our make our life easy. Okay, and you can also create a button over there. Let's take a button with a class btn minus dark btn sm, the small button. Let's say read more. Okay, so read more button for Paris. So like that, I want to have three other cards with different images. So what you do is, let's copy the call md3. I'll paste, space and paste. So you got four images. Now you can replace each of the image with your own. Let's say image 2 here, and image 3 here, and also image 4 here. So you get four different images, and you want to change this particular text. What I do is, this one is I think it's Bangkok, and this is Indonesia and Malaysia, like that. See how nice cards has come from Bootstrap. Okay, so very simple. You can also make this type of cards using Bootstrap. Okay, so I just wanted to explain the simple design and rich user interface using Bootstrap. So that's why, so as a UI developer, you must know at least Bootstrap on top of CSS, so that you can make, using less code, you can make some rich UI. Okay, so enough for this. In the next video, we'll see the event handling using React.js. Thank you.